Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've got a very balletic full body workout that's going to work you to the core. So if you're ready, grab a mat and let's go. So we're first going to do a curtsy lunge, so going diagonally. Then we're going to bring our foot to our knee, turned in, and then stretch it out, still keeping it turned in. The arms are going to go opposite, then come together, and then stretch out to the side. So we're gonna do this a little bit slow at the beginning, and then we're gonna kind of go a little bit faster. So curtsy lunge, come up and stretch it out, keeping your toe pointed the whole time, making sure your core is nice and strong, your posture is nice and straight. Don't let go of it. Good, keep going, keeping that posture straight, stomach tight. Good, now we're gonna pause in that curtsy lunge and we're just gonna pulse it out. The arm is going around and up. We're gonna do 2 times 8. All right, we're gonna stay on this side and we're gonna come for a high lunge position. And we're gonna bring our body down, arm is stretched out, and then we're gonna come up with the body and the arm is gonna go around and up. So we're going down with the body, the arm stretches forward, and then we're gonna go around with the arm as the body is coming back up. This is gonna be very hard on your legs and hips, so if you need to take a break, please do, because I know I'm smiling, but I was secretly dying inside, so I know how hard this is. And again, please don't forget your posture as you're coming up, keeping those shoulders down. We're doing 2 times 8 of these. And you're finished. Hold it. And we're gonna come for a high lunge with our body down. Just stretch it out, catch your breath. And now we're gonna come for an abdominal exercise. So we're gonna come for lizard plank. So our legs are bending on the outside of our body and we're just crunching them in. Good, now we're gonna pause. I'm doing the left side first. So I'm crunching to the side and then I'm bringing the knee to the opposite elbow, so diagonally. And we're just doing 8 of these, but make sure that your butt is down. You're not lifting it up at any point. Good. Hold the plank, come down. We're just gonna kind of stretch our sides, so looking over your hip to the side. Catch your breath. And let's come all the way onto the hip. So we are going to be bending the supporting arm a little bit, so it's working. We're gonna outstretch the other one, and we're just gonna lift the top leg up and down. So you're really gonna feel this in your obliques and in your hip and your leg, everywhere. And if you point your toe, you're gonna feel it in your calf as well. So we can go around with the arm if you'd like. Pointing that toe. And we're gonna come down onto our elbow. And we're gonna lift the top leg again, but this time we're gonna meet the bottom leg with it and keeping the top leg in the air. And again, don't let go of your posture. Keep holding it and keep holding that stomach nice and strong. If you wanna make this exercise a little bit more difficult, you can outstretch the arm, keeping those toes pointed, keeping those legs stretched. Work that whole body. All right, let's bend that top leg and bring it forward, and we're gonna do a few inner thigh exercises. So lifting the bottom leg as high as we can here. Just lifting it, stretching that leg, pointing that toe. Now let's bring that top leg back and just place it on the bottom leg, flat foot, and just keep lifting that bottom leg. You're kind of putting pressure on that bottom leg, so it's a little bit like it has a weight on it, and you're really gonna feel this nicely in your inner thigh. And let's bring those legs together, and we're just gonna lift up and down both legs. If this is too difficult, just skip it or just lift one leg up. Good, just 8 of these. Awesome. So let's just roll onto our stomach and let's come to a child's pose and just catch our breath here. Just release all the tension we just created and just take a little break. All right, let's come up and we're going to do the other side. So make sure you've got a good balance and you're ready, your stomach is nice and tight. And we're gonna start with that lunge, and then we're gonna come up and then stretch it out to the side. So lunge, toe to knee, stretch it out. Arms are following, but if the arms are a little bit too difficult, you can just keep them out to the side the entire time. Remembering our posture, shoulders down, chest up, stomach in, leg is stretched, toe is pointed. And please don't forget your fingers and your hands, they are also working. Awesome, so let's pause on that one side and pulse it out. Arm is coming around, the other one is out on the side. 2 times 8. We're gonna come for that high lunge now. So get a good balance, and we're gonna go down with the body and up and around. So down, up and around. This can be a little bit difficult to balance, so if you fall, that's totally fine. It's all about the learning process. Keep going, you've got this. We're almost there. And let's pause, hold it, and come down with your body all the way. Stretch it out, catch your breath, and let's come for those lizard planks. So crunching to the side, really keeping those hips under, belly button tucked in, trying not to slouch here as well, keeping the head straight. All right, let's pause on the one side, making sure it's the other side now, and let's crunch to the side and then diagonally. So meeting our knees with both elbows. So first the same one and then the opposite one. Keeping those hips under, don't stick your butt in the air. And let's go down, and we're just gonna stretch that side out. So kind of look over your shoulder, going on the hip. And let's go all the way on the hip now. So we're gonna bend that supporting arm first, stretching the other one out. And we're just gonna lift the top leg, keeping it super stretched, toe pointed, stomach nice and strong, shoulders down. And you can go around with the arm. And let's go all the way down on the elbow. We're just gonna lift the top leg and meet the bottom leg with it. Keep going. If you want to put the arm out to the side, make it a little bit more difficult, then please do so. And And let's bring the top leg forward, bending it and lifting the bottom leg, working that inner thigh, still stretching the leg and pointing the toe. And bringing the top leg back and flat-footed onto the inner thigh. And let's just keep lifting here. It's gonna add some pressure to your inner thigh. And let's come for our final exercise, legs together, and just lifting the legs up into the air. Really gonna feel this in your obliques here. Just 8. Awesome. So now let's just come for our stretches, and we're gonna first come for a child's pose, just catching our breath, releasing all the tension in the lower back and shoulders. And let's slide into puppy pose, so really arching that back. It's gonna make your shoulders really relaxed. And let's slide all the way forward and come for a baby cobra. Just stretching the abs, come back. And we're gonna come for a few hip stretches. So first, a cow face. Stacking those knees on each other. If you can't do this fully, it's okay, just do your best. We're gonna go down with the body. And let's come up and bring that top leg behind us and just stretch our quad. You can go all the way down with your body, but if you don't, you can stay up like me. And let's do cow face on the other side. And again, going down with the body. And let's bring the top leg back, come for the quad stretch, just hold here. And let's stretch both of our legs forward, and just come for a forward stretch. If you can't go all the way down, then just pulse it out by holding your calves. And let's come up, and we'll come for an easy pose, but actually you can sit however you want. We're just gonna stretch the neck to one side and the other side. And let's stretch to the side, making a nice line, other side, and come around forward, and come up, and we're finished. So I hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!